I need to replace a zone valve 40,004,850-001. Looking for instructions.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
The valve zone just went out. I replaced the thermostat with a TH11000V100 and it appears the zone valve is not working. Plumber can come in 2 weeks and cold is expected in 3 days.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
The other valves and system is working. The problem is limited to one zone.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I plan to replace the valve zone and motor for the models cited above. I would like a how-to instruction so I minimize the learn by trial. I am aware of needing to interrupt power to do the job.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. First I'll need some more info so I have a more complete picture of your situation. It may not be necessary to replace the entire valve. Usually all that's needed is to replace the operator/head. Yes, you need to kill the power to the boiler and be sure the power is off to the zone valve transformer. The question now is, do you have the old type head that requires draining the system or the newer type that can be swapper out without draining the system? Remove the cover and tell me if there are 4 screws into the base plate or 2 screws at opposite corners.
2 on opposite corners. If this type doesn't require draining the system, I don't believe we need a chat. I will chat if drainage is needed.
Okay, so this is the easy one. You should just need to replace the head and you can do this without draining the system. Here is a link to the instructions, but it's pretty simple. You just swap lead for lead on the wiring. And release the screws, remove the old head and install the new one as indicated on page 4, new style. http://s3.supplyhouse.com/manuals/135020220863/82233_prod_file.pdf.
Thanks. Replace the head and contact you if problem is not rectified and I need the higher level service advice from you.
You're welcome. Changes these heads is easy. I'd appreciate a favorable rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.